going to my friend's house and kakatapos ko lang maligo and hindi na ako masyadong nag-ayos kasi gagawa lang kami ng deadlines dun sa house niya. So, mag-joyride lang ako kasi mas convenient and mas mabilis. So, everyone, so I just got home and I already ate my dinner sa bahay ng friend ko. So right now, I'm gonna try to finish all of my deadlines kasi hindi namin natapos dun lahat. But matatapos na ako sa essay ko and then isa na lang din yung kailangan ko pang tapusin after ng essay. So I'll try to finish it tonight para wala na akong gagawin tomorrow because tomorrow it's Monday. So, wala kaming pasok tomorrow because it's a holiday. Pero gusto ko wala na akong gagawin by tomorrow para rest day na lang. So, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. By the way guys, I wanted to share my favorite snack at the moment. It's called cashew marzipan and it's so freaking delicious. And ilang araw na siya sa akin actually. And hindi ko siya makain na buo because I'm counting my calories. But yeah, you must try this guys. It's very good, I swear to God. Bumili kami ng lemonade.
Sanay ako behind.
Ano, 2 years?
Training na lang ulit ng bayo. So,
I go.
Orientation dito sa next week. May presentation.
Hi everyone! Hi everyone! So, nakapag-lunch na rin kami. So, we're now here sa isang empty room. Kasi vacant namin. We're just chilling. Hi! Hi everyone! So right now, I am just doing my homework. It's the activity na ginawa namin kanina and then hindi natapos. So ngayon din yung deadline niya. Before 12 AM, kailangan namin siya i-submit. So ginagawa ko lang siya and then mag-rest na ako because I feel so tired right now. 5:30 PM yung out namin today and yung finish ng class namin today. So I feel so tired. So, ayun, after this, I will take a rest na. And tomorrow nga pala, guys, we don't have classes. Nag-move siya sa Friday. So, I don't know what will I do tomorrow. Good morning, everyone! So, right now, I'm in a good mood kasi I woke up raining and bukod doon, complete yung sleep ko. Kaya, medyo happy ako. And, right now, hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast and lunch. So, before I make my breakfast and lunch, I'm gonna take a bath muna kasi I want to feel fresh and awake. So, mag-shower muna ako and doon ko na lang poproblemahin kung anong kakainin ko for my brunch. So, actually guys, kanina pa ako gising, mga 12 PM, but I just got out from my bed. So, for me, it's still morning. So, ayun. Actually, nakasalubong ko siya on my way.
This is the 15th floor.
Guys, actually, I'm freezing kasi frozen yung chicken. So,
Tapos kanina, ayaw ko kayo kaya kalamuha sa mga may crush.
Guys, this is live.
Diba?
Martyr 1.
And that's cool.
So kung ano, hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 hey.
Hi! Tita, wakas.
Sa wakas,
Ay, na-feature ka na. Nung ano ba yan? Nung hot.
Sticker. Saan siya nilalagay dito? Ito siya. Dito nilalagay yung face. Guys, this is so cute. Like sticker siya and then didikitan mo yung mga pages. And like, meron silang mini one. Kita mo? Have a mini one. Parang pwede siya sa plain, ganon, just in case. Diba? Siguro dito sa nose. Purple. Ay, oo. Bet ko siya. Oo, ito talaga. Diary siya.